Students, I hope you understood why the members or delegates of third estate, they totally be against of Louis XVI, and what was the reason of conflict between King Louis XVI and third estate. Fine, because they wanted equal representation and they also wanted their demands should be granted by the king. Now, just now I told you, for that the members of third estate, they left that assembly and they gathered at tennis court for taking oath. And who were the members they mainly gathered there? Those are the third estate representatives mainly assembled in the hall of an indoor tennis court in the ground of Versailles on 20 June 1789, when the members of third estate, they left that National Assembly. Afterwards, they gathered, they assembled in the hall of an indoor tennis court in the ground of Versailles on 28 June 1789. Afterwards, what they did, there they declared themselves as a National Assembly, means they totally be denied that General Assembly, and they formed separate National Assembly there, and they had drafted a constitution which would limit the powers of monarch. Previously what happened? Everything only be done there according to the wish of Louis XVI. Under the king, he only took all kind of decision there. Now they had drafted their own constitution which would limit the powers of the monarch. And who were the leaders? Mainly they led that assembly. They were the, it is also be important question. So many times it came for 1 mark question. Ki name 2 leaders, prominent leaders of National Assembly. That time you have to write Mirabeau and Agassiz. They are the 2 prominent leaders of the National Assembly. And what about that National Assembly actually? Previously, France was under the monarch, and that time only General Assembly was there. But afterwards, when the members of third estate, they formed this National Assembly, mainly they mainly started that assembly, they mainly drafted their constitution on the principles of equality, liberty and fraternity. And what happened? Another one, throughout the year of the revolution, there were 4 different revolutionary governments also, including National Assembly, Legislative Assembly and National Convention and the Directory. These are the 4 steps mainly they passed. And the National Assembly was the first revolutionary government of the French Revolution and existed from June 14 July 9th in 1789, and the National Assembly was created by the 2 prominent leaders. They are the Mirabeau and Agassiz. Fine. Now next, what they drafted in that constitution. Next you have to remember, you have to learn that constitution mainly drafted by them, they mainly limited the power of king. So what about their provision? Drafting of French constitution completed in 1791. Actually, the French people, they drafted their constitution in 1791. And what they did there? They divided all powers among 3 groups: legislature, executive and judiciary. Previously what happened in France? All power only be in hand of king. He mainly applied all kind of despotic power on the French people. But afterwards, when the French people, they drafted their constitution, that time they divided that power among legislature, executive and judiciary. But all citizens had the not right to vote, means all citizens were not eligible to cast their vote. That time also universal adult franchise was not granted in France. Fine. Next one, they also did another thing, declaration of rights of man and citizen, means that fundamental rights also be they declared in that constitution. Next, duty of state to protest citizen natural rights. That rights means like right to freedom, right to equality. These are the natural rights of human beings. So that they started giving that kind of rights to the French people. Next one, France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. They also totally destroyed monarchy and they converted France into republican country. That time what Louis XVI did, he entered into secret negotiations with Prussia. That time Louis XVI, when he estimated that all people they are going against of him, that time he just did some negotiations with Prussia, and also he took help from his neighboring countries, because he totally got worried about the developments and also some reforms, because another countries, those are the neighbor countries like Austria, Prussia, they also got scared that time कि maybe that kind of democratic ideals also be spread all over the world, and that time they also unable to rule over that people. That's why they also tried to negotiate with Louis XVI. Fine. And another one, before they could do so, National Assembly voted war against Prussia and Austria, against king and aristocracies all over the Europe. Revolutionary war caused loss and economic difficulties. That time, due to such kind of war, lot of economic destruction also there, so that people also faced economic difficulties there. Fine. And what happened? France abolishes monarchy, and few clubs also be formed for supporting that ideals. Like one club given in your book, that is about the Jacobin Club. They also sprang up to discuss government policies and plan their actions. Jacobin Club grew on popularity and included less prosperous section of the society. Who are the members? Those are the less prosperous, means those were not enjoying all kind of facilities present in the society. They only be the members of Jacobin Club. And who was the leader of that Jacobin Club? They are the Maximilien Robespierre. He only led that, and later king and queen also be. That I will tell you in next topic, that about the reign of terror. Now first of all you have to understand about what kind of changes mainly you can see in that society. When the French people, they made their own constitution, they drafted their own constitution. What kind of changes occurred in the French society? It is also the most important question for you. When that French people, they formed National Assembly, and that time also they drafted their own constitution. There they limited the power of the monarch. Next one, they divided the power among three organs there: legislature, executive and judiciary. Though all people, they not got right to vote, and they also be declared right of man and citizen, and they also try to protect natural rights of the human being, and they abolishes monarchy and they declared France as a republican country. That time Louis XVI, he became scared कि maybe people will revolt against him. That's why he negotiated with the king of Prussia and Austria. The king of Prussia and Austria also, they became scared कि maybe such kind of ideals also be spread all over in their country, and they also unable to control the common people. That's why they got worried about it, and they tried to prevent that reforms, and afterwards they also be against that kind of ideals, and so many revolution also be held in France, and due to that revolution also be caused loss of economic difficulties there. And what the French people did, they totally be abolished monarchy from France, and few political clubs also be formed in France, and out of them, the most popular club was Jacobin Club, and who was leader there? Who led that club? That is the Maximilian Robespierre. Fine. And only who can able to enjoy that right to votes? Those are the above 21 years of age. They only can enjoy that right to vote. All cannot. And newly elected assembly called convention. Means first General Assembly was there. Afterwards French people, they formed National Assembly. Afterwards, that when they drafted that constitution, that time that assembly was known as the convention, where they totally destroyed monarchy and they declared France as a republican country. And afterwards what they did? They executed king and queen both. Fine. Another one thing also you have to check when they made that National Assembly there. What about there? You can see that one figure is given in your book. That is about the three group. You can easily see judiciary, executive and the legislature group. But all they not got right to vote out of. And who were the active citizen? Those are above 21 years of age, and only 4 million of population only be considered as the active citizen there. And who were the passive citizen? Those do not have any kind of right to vote, means they did not able to cast their vote. They are near about 3 million men and women, children and youth below 25 years. They only unable to cast their vote. And in National Assembly total members there 745 members were there. I'm just showing you that record. By that easily you can estimate who were considered as the active citizen and who were the passive citizen. Actually in that constitution mainly drafted by the French people in 1791, there three groups were there, three organs were there: judiciary, executive and legislature, and judge, king also be member of that, and total members were 745 members, and they were elected by 50,000 people. Not like that ki all people they had right to vote and they can choose their representative. Only 50,000 men, they were eligible to cast their vote, and who were the active citizen? About 4 million of a population of 28, means out of 28 million people, only 4 million people they were eligible to cast their vote, and they were considered as the active citizen. And who were the passive citizen? Those did not have right to vote, about 3 million men, and also women, children and below, those are the age below 25 years. Fine.